Ryan.
Yes, it's been so long. How are you?
Yes. All good. Going good.
कैसा चल रहा है quarantine? I don't think it's quarantine for all the doctors of the country. I'm sure you're still going out.
No, to be very specific, nobody is having the accident, so nobody is breaking the bones, so going nowhere.
Absolutely ऐसा ही रहे, कोई अपनी हड्डियां ना तोड़े and आपको बहुत सारा free time मिले ताकि आप साथ साथ modeling भी करो. So hello everybody who's joining us today. We have Dr. Manu Bora, who's not only an amazing doctor, but he's been a model for some of the top designers in the country and top brands in the country. And I was seeing his profile for a picture in the creative, and it was so difficult to choose कौन से picture लूँ. All the pictures were looking so good.
Thanks a lot.
How are you? So it's been so long. I think the last time I met you was long time back.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
So what's happening? What are you doing in quarantine? क्या चल रहा है? I've been seeing you've been taking webinars and everything.
Yes, there is a lot of online consultations are going on for me. I'm not seeing the patients personally, so everything is online, and we are exploring the digital market quite well.
Okay, so this is a different era of technology and different era of living that we all are entering into. So I think,
yes.
I was seeing a video yesterday wherein people were telling me that we should start learning to live with COVID now. And what are the ways? And they were giving us tips. You should do this and that. I was like, oh my God, is there actually no vaccine be there? Is there actually going to be no vaccine for COVID?
Unless and until they come up with a vaccine or some type of treatment, it is going to be a bit difficult, always.
We'll have to manage to start living with COVID. Anyways, so doctor, you've been a model, so the doctor part is great, but all our viewers, we have a lot of passionate models also who want to get into the modeling field and the fashion field. So I think you are the right person to guide them. That first of all, before I ask anything, what was your journey? How did you get into modeling?
So basically, what I say in this, that to get any job, you need a degree, right? For the modeling, you need portfolio. Portfolio is your degree. Unless until you have portfolio, it is of no use of even thinking of like modeling, right? The first thing one should do is get into the shape and get the good portfolio, and then they can explore what they can do. So most of the people keep on messaging me, and they are still hesitant to get the portfolio done. But it's an investment, guys. You need to do investment, right? Without investment, nothing is there. You need to do investment. You need to have a good portfolio, and then only you will get some good modeling jobs. Without it, it's difficult.
So मन्नू, ऐसा मतलब आज से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि 5-6 साल पहले there was this thing for portfolios कि आपके पास portfolio होना बहुत जरूरी है. बट जितनी भी आजकल कास्टिंग एजेंसीज है या मॉडलिंग एजेंसीज है, वो आपको बोलते हैं कि हम आपको सिर्फ अपनी पोलराइड पिक्चर्स दे दो and we'll see to it what can be done. So do you think for a fresher model who's wanting to get into modeling, is it now in these times, is it important to get a folio?
Still, because if you don't have a folio, the agency will not even look at it, or they will not ask for your Polaroids, because they are getting so many mails every day. You have to be distinct, right?
Yeah.
So the portfolio is the first thing, and then if they like your picture, then they will ask for the Polaroids.
Absolutely.
Either a portfolio can be a picture, or a portfolio can be a video introduction as well. So if both is there, then there is a good. And once you get signed up, then also you need the folio, because what they are going to send the clients, like they can't send you each and every time personally. They are castings, they are shortlistings.
आजकल क्या हो रहा है in the market? Everybody आजकल portfolio के नाम के ऊपर people are doing portfolios in 5 grams also. मतलब लोग बोलते हैं कि आप हमको 5,000 दीजिए, हम आपके portfolios कर देंगे. So there's a question in the comment section. He says, I'm getting portfolios done by young photographers. So do you think this is a good idea कि young जो emerging photographers हैं उनसे कराना चाहिए?
See, there is no young and old doesn't depend. मतलब इससे ये मालूम नहीं पड़ता whether they are talented or not. Yeah. So if you want to get a portfolio from someone, see his work, right? उसका work तो दिखेगा ना. The picture, and They are smart people who can understand if the photographer is good or not. You can easily make out, okay, he is a good one. So whether a young or whether a professional old timer photographer, if the pictures are good and if they are still doing the portfolio, then you should choose them who has the good work.
एब्सोल्युटली, बट मुझे लगता है ऐसा मनु कि पोर्टफोलियो अगर किसी को मॉडल बनना है तो पोर्टफोलियो एक बहुत ही लेटेस्ट स्टेज है. उससे पहले देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट अ पर्सन हैज टू फॉलो इन डेली
Grooming is very important. Without grooming, they can't act in front of camera, right? So grooming is also a very important part.
Exactly. So what are the things that a emerging model should keep in mind कि अगर उसको मॉडलिंग करनी है तो क्या क्या चीजें उसको अपने दिमाग के अंदर रखनी चाहिए, कुछ ग्रूमिंग टिप्स जो हम किसी को दे सके.
Yes, let's talk about the tips about getting a good pictures click, right? Everybody has different face and they can really work on their face to how to get good pictures. So I can tell some of the tips, like for the boys, they can do the clenching, like they can clench the jaws when the picture is being clicked, so the jawline becomes quite obvious like this. Second thing, most of the people can have a double chin because to be chiseled all the time is difficult. So what is my say that whenever you are in front of camera, you keep the face a bit forward like this. So when you are keeping the face a bit forward, the double chin goes away. Don't keep like this. So like this, So if you want to take picture like this, clench your face. Then you can play like with your eyebrows, like doing like this attitude shows or maybe this. And for the best pictures, it's always better you look a bit like you protrude your face, you go down and then you look straight. Maybe you can make your eyes a bit smaller. So there are multiple ways of posing in front of camera, So once you keep on practicing it, once you realize it, yes, there is exercise to make jawline sharp. Bro, there is no exercise to make jawline sharp. You need to do running, right? The more you run, the more you do the leg workout, the more you lose the fat. You can't do face exercises to get the jawline fresh. You need to lose fat for a good jawline. For losing fat, you need to use bigger muscles. Bigger muscles are legs. So you do leg exercises, you do running, you do cardio, then you have a sharp jawline.
Absolutely. So a lot of cardio is the key to lose fat from your body, whether it's the jaw or fat from anywhere in the body.
Either a lot of cardio or you do a lot of HIIT, HIIT, or you do a lot of body workout. Means anything which is involving a lot of muscles in the body at the same time, and it is and you're burning fat. So burning fat is a very big topic. There are so many myths about it. And there are so many myths about the abs as well. If you are doing abdominal muscles, you need not get the abs because abdominal muscles are so small. So जब छोटी-छोटी अगर सिर्फ abs कर रहे हो तो energy consumption is this much only. So you will not lose any fat. But if you are doing leg muscles exercise, leg exercise, if you are doing running, then there is a lot more energy consumption and you lose fat very quickly.
Absolutely, I think this is something very information. काफी myths होती है कि हमारे को अपनी jaws और abs को कैसे एकदम shape में रखना है. So I think this is one thing that is very good that you told the viewers. उसके अलावा और क्या?
For me, what has worked a lot is this intermittent fasting is very good. So intermittent fasting is like really reduces the fat quite fast. So intermittent fasting is good, and with the intermittent fasting, a lot of cardio and weight training exercises.
Absolutely.
So the question Jagun was asking something, saying something.
No, so besides a good physique, of course, what are the other things that a person has to keep in mind grooming before getting a portfolio? Because as you said, आपको एक degree होती है कुछ भी काम करने से पहले. तो आपकी ये डिग्री की तरह है and you will be investing in it. So what are the other things that a person should keep in mind before actually getting their portfolio done?
So I will tell you a very good story that so I was in Paris, right? I was in Paris and there was this smaller agency which signed me up long back, Studio KLRP. And then because I was in Paris, my agency back days in India was Anima Creative. So they were sending my profile to other people as well, other agencies, bigger clients, and I went there and met them. So everything was good. My pictures was good. I was a good model. The physique was good. I was in the right age. Everything was just perfect. Right place, right time. But then still I was not booking a lot of jobs. Why? Because attitude. You are not open.
Yeah.
What do you mean by open? Open means you are not. If you are going for a meeting, you have to show the client that you are confident. You are confident. You are open. Means if they give you a job, you will do it. If they tell you, okay, you need to laugh, then you can laugh. If they tell you, okay, you need to be sad, then you have to be sad. But if they feel, no, this person has bit closed, this is bit shy. Shy is not shy. Shy in front of camera. If he is not able to act in front of camera, then they will never book you. So you have to be very clear and very open and very confident as a person. If you keep holding back, you will never get a job. So be out there.
Absolutely right. And I think holding back and holding your emotions is not just for modeling. Anybody who wants to do something in life, whatever job.
Right.
I think you need to be able to express your emotions and your thoughts to the person in front of you, so that things are more clear.
Yeah.
So there's another question, Manu, and this person is asking: is it very important to have a very clear skin for modeling?
No. It's not important. Yeah. See, the modeling is a bit. I'm not saying any kind of skin work. I have seen black models. I've seen white models. I've seen grey models. I've seen color combinations with pimples, without pimples, with a scar, without a scar. So it doesn't depend. Like obviously, one should take care of their skin. There has to be good skin. But then if you have something, you have scars, then there are ways to reduce it. You can go and take PRP treatment or maybe microneedling. There are so many things to improve your skin texture, but it is not that important. And does the age matters in modeling for men? I started at 27, so, and I am 37 right now.
By the way, you still look 27, Manu. That's the good part about it. You still look like 27.
You can come to the clinic. I will make you look 27.
जब से you told this thing, इसको आगे रखो अपना डबल चिन छुपाने के लिए. Since the time I'm talking to you, मैं तुमसे ऐसी बात कर रहा हूँ.
I'm telling you, a lot of knowledge is there. I've traveled a lot of good knowledge.
Absolutely. So there's another question. What are the things we can practice at home? एक second. What are the things we can practice at home, or we can work on ourselves during this quarantine?
What practice at home? What क्या improve करना है?
मतलब अपने ऊपर अपने आप को सेल्फ ग्रूमिंग के लिए क्वारंटाइन में हम ऐसे क्या कुछ करें घर के ऊपर ही कि थोड़ा सा
self grooming is a big subject. Means I am reading a lot of books these days by Dr. Wayne Dyer and few others. So everybody is grooming themselves. So you can either read the books, you do exercises. This is very generalized question. It's not specific, but there are good ways. You can watch series. There are a lot of good series which can really groom you, make you a devil.
Hello.
Yes. Listening.
Just a minute, please. So yes, there's another question.
Right.
So what can we do at home to reduce fat? I think you've told that. So
yes. Like basically, in home you need to do body weight training. That's the only option one can do.
Okay. So one last tip to all the freshers who are wanting to get into this line. कोई roadies का भी question पूछ रहा है, but I think we are not discussing reality shows today, so we'll skip that question.
Right.
But any tips that you want to give to young?
Yes. I want to tell them that if you need good pictures, go through a lot of good magazines like GQ, Vogue, and see what kind of clothes the model wear, what kind of poses they do. Try to learn the poses, try to learn the facial expression, and try to learn to understand your face, like which profile is good on your face, whether if you're looking down, looking up, from the right side, from the left side. Every person has one specific thing which is good. So you need to understand in which profile your face will look good, up, down, sideways. You need to figure this out. So posing is very important. Facial expression is important. Be confident. Read a lot of books. If you go in a meeting and then you are acting dumb, you cannot speak. You cannot talk about other things in life, right? Then the meeting will go in a drain. So it's not about being a good model. It's also about being knowledgeable. So you increase your knowledge by the books and be.
Okay, so Manu, there's another question. What is the minimum height required for modeling?
See, for the ramp modeling is always 6 feet. Like below 6 is difficult for the ramp. But if you are planning to go on a reality show or maybe in a TV, then height doesn't matter. There are so many models who are doing very good and they don't have a good height. So for ramp modeling, it is 6. Otherwise, the world is open.
Okay, and then there's another question. I'm happy there are a lot of questions coming in. So another question is, any recommendations for getting a portfolio from anybody you'd like to recommend yourself?
Yeah, I think your grooming classes is doing great job. So they should contact you and then we can always suggest a good one. Right?
So another question, modeling isn't a long-lived career, right? Please advise whether it can be a passion, hobby or a proper full-time long-lived career.
See, modeling cannot be a long-lived career. Modeling is only for 8 to 10 years. What is my experience is in no matter what age you start, whether you start at 18 or 28, or there are models who have started at 48, people will get bored from, and then the job will decrease. So modeling is for 10 years. After 10 years, you need to think आगे क्या करना है. So most of the people become a photographer or they go to the acting or the other things. But always think modeling के बाद क्या करना है. Modeling can be a first step and then you can get on the ladder, right?
Absolutely. Okay, so I think that's the same question coming in again and again, but I think we've answered almost all of them, and thank you, Manu, for this. So now it's a fun thing that I do with everybody who comes on live with me. So I think I'd want to do it with you also, and I'm sure it's gonna be really fun with you. But there's another question before I do the rapid fire, which is, please tell us, how was your time with Elite Paris? I think you were in Paris for quite some time, right?
Yeah. So I was initially with the studio KLRP, then I changed the agencies. I was with Elite Paris, and Elite is like one of the biggest agencies in world. So it was quite awesome. Good exposure, good work, good people. They are still my friends, so I have a place to go anytime.
Absolutely, that's the best part about it. So coming back to the rapid fire round, so I have few questions that I'll be putting across you. So good answers I'd be expecting from you, and my first question to you would be, who is your favorite designer?
Rohit Bal.
Okay, surely. Your favorite stylist?
Close. He is. Gautam.
Okay, your favorite makeup artist?
Kazi is good. It's fun. मजा आता है काम करने में.
Yes, Kazi is amazing.
हो रहा है. मेरी नस देख लो.
He's too fun. He's very nice. I love him too.
Kazi is good. He's always sick in front of me. Always sick. कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती रहती है उसको, और वो प्रॉब्लम हर 10 मिनट में दूसरी आ जाती है. So
most of the people whenever you're around them, उनको कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है.
हाँ, पर काजी को कुछ ज्यादा ही होती है मुझे लगता है. Quite expressive about it.
Okay, your favorite style icon, your style icon.
My style icon. Actually, I don't follow anybody for this style.
Okay. If not a doctor or a model, what would you be?
I wanted to become a pilot.
Oh wow, that's what I wanted to become when I was small, and then I realized it required a lot of education, and then I dropped my dream. Okay, your favorite cuisine?
Punjabi, butter chicken naan.
Yeah, I love it too. Beaches or mountains?
Beaches, always Goa.
Oh, I love that. Sunrise or sunsets?
Sunsets. Get drunk. Other things.
Sunrises को उठेगा कौन? Summers or winters?
Winters, always winters. I can like dress well. Yes. In winters you can really dress well. Summers is like very okay. T-shirt pehn liya. Winter is a grooming season.
All right, what you could give up for a month? Not combing your hair or not brushing your teeth?
No, combing my hair. I don't comb my hair most of the time. I just do like this, and then I'm done.
that's an advantage you have.
So I means, to be honest, I don't comb my hair. Rarely I comb it.
So that's a confession you're doing today.
Yes, no combing of hair. Keep it random, keep it messy.
The funniest thing you've done a stranger doing in front of you?
The funniest thing a stranger is doing or I have done?
No, a stranger is doing in front of you.
Funniest thing. ऐसे उसको याद नहीं आ रहा, पर है काफी सारी.
फिर अपना बता दो, something funny that you did in front of strangers. I'm sure that must be a lot of times.
There is one friend of mine who looks like a monkey.
Looks like a monkey.
अगर वो होता है ना, अगर चाहे कितने भी लोग हैं, so means I can really act like a monkey in front of him. Okay, my next. And you know him very well, so but I will not tell the name. And there is one more friend who looks like a horse, so I can easily आवाज निकाल सकता हूँ घोड़े की, क्या कभी भी कभी.
मैं 2-3 कैसे मारूं क्या?
ना, no controversies.
Your definition of a perfect Saturday night.
It has to be at home, chilled, अपने शांति से. I don't like more भीड़ भड़का and people.
That too I know. You don't like भीड़ भड़का. You don't like partying. Not a party person.
No.
Okay. Your definition of a perfect vacation.
Perfect vacations on a. I want to be in a resort, in a beach, and doing nothing. मैं कहीं घूमने नहीं जाऊँगा. मैं कहीं देखूँगा नहीं city कैसा है. Just be in a resort at a beach. That's
just it. Lazing around, chilling.
Chilling. Yeah. Because the life is so hectic that if I get some time, then it's like.
You want to relax.
Around. Yes.
Your favorite destination कहाँ पर relax करना चाहोगे? गोवा मत बोलना.
गोवा तो है. Goa is different vibe. Or Goa is something which I like always.
हाँ, but besides Goa, everybody likes Goa. That's my annual destination for New Year's.
Somehow कुछ और नाम आता नहीं. Means I have traveled so much, but still वो गोवा ही नाम आ रहा है. तो मतलब गोवा ही है. मतलब they can't be a second thought, right?
Okay, और rapid fire के बीच में एक और question आया है. Does Manu Bora sir drink?
Oh, everything.
Yes. Spiritual or religious?
I am spiritual. I lead a lot of, like, this book I am reading right now is pretty good. He's by like one of my famous author, Dr. Wayne Dyer, and I will not say. So this book is about the teaching of Tao. So it's a spiritual book, but it's more of a life coach.
Okay,
how
perfect.
to lead your life, how to live your life, how to be happy, these kind of things, whether it's spiritual or not.
Perfect, very nice. If you get a chance to go on a dinner with somebody from the history, who would you choose?
Somebody from the history. I am really looking forward to go with Saurabh Dua, because we were काफी दिनों से हम plan कर रहे थे. We have a lot of good memories in Paris and even in some other cities. So that I was looking forward 3-4 दिन से.
Okay, so अगर आपके ऊपर एक movie बनती है, which actor do you think would do justice to your role?
Which actor? बड़ी गंदी एक्टिंग है मेरी, तो कोई गंदा से वो जिसको एक्टिंग नहीं आती ना उसको डाल दो. My acting is very bad, so I think वो जस्टिस कर देगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ऐसे मॉडल है सिर्फ.
If you could shop from one of your favorite designers for free and rob the whole store, which designer would it be?
I somehow like clothes by Rohit Bal. I have when you wear it, it has a different feel. Like obviously I have worked with all the designers, and they are all have their different different style. But Rohit Bal is one of the favorite.
Yes, absolutely. I agree. He has a different charm to his clothes. Very a very good vibe that
Means
you
everything
get.
is good.
Absolutely, absolutely.
From the smell of the clothes to the feel to the fit to the, because when you wear the clothes, it has to come from within. कि हाँ कुछ पहना है, you know, you should feel enlightened and not enlightened, you feel should graceful. So when you wear his clothes, you feel कि हाँ बस अब तो मैं ही राजा हूँ, you know. Like
Okay, so if you could read minds, Manu, whose mind would you want to read?
whose mind? बहुत लोगों का यार, मैंने ऐसा कुछ.
किसी एक का जिसका सबसे ज्यादा पढ़ने का मन हो कि सोचता क्या है बंदा या बंदी.
मैं लोगों के बारे में कम सोचता हूँ, सो इट्स बेटर. मैं थोड़ा सेल्फ सेंटर्ड हूँ. अपने बारे में ही सोचता हूँ.
Okay.
दिमाग लगाऊंगा नहीं सामने वाला क्या सोच रहा है.
Okay, if you were told you had only 1 week to live, what would you do in that 1 week?
In 1 week, I will. एक ही वीक बचा है.
कुछ तो करो.
हाँ, जिन के साथ मैंने बुरा किया ना, I will call them and apologize कि अब जा रहा हूँ, अब माफ कर दो.
स्वर्ग में जगह मिलेगी मुझे. Okay, my next question. Do you judge? Okay.
Oh no, never. I never judge. No.
Do you judge a book by its cover? No, never.
अच्छा, बुक की बात करो, मैं तो लोगों की बात.
नहीं, बुक की नहीं, मैं इंसान की भी बात करो. So I hope you understand. Do you judge an इंसान by its appearance?
No, never. I never judge. Appearance, non-appearance, मैं साल भर बाद भी judge नहीं करूँगा. I never judge because judging is something which is burden in my head, my heart. So it's good for me that I should not judge, and good for everyone that they should not judge. No judging at all. Big no. For yourself, not for other people.
So if you are granted 3 wishes, what